Hello, welcome back to Superior Self with KJ Landis. Today, I'd like to talk about collective consciousness making a shift in our community. I'm so sad about the tragedies in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, especially because I was connected to it. The synagogue in Squirrel Hill, the Tree of Life, was where I spent many youth organization events, B'nai B'rith, dances, parties, working on helping senior citizens, doing my community services, as well as having an opportunity to go to synagogue with my family, by myself, and to many other friends, bar and bat mitzvahs. I'd like to talk about collective consciousness creating community and change. When I talk about the word collective, I mean many people are thinking of the same thing at the same time or doing the same thing at the same time, similar to Hands Across America in the 1980s. I remember Hands Across America, and I participated in it in Washington, D.C. in the summer. And I held hands with strangers, and knowing the fact that that was happening at the same time all across the time zones was so impactful and powerful, and it did create a change exponentially. That energy we give out gives us energy. So I'm thinking about peace and healing and love, and we must pray or meditate for the folks who are suffering and mourning in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The collective consciousness even affects what you wear. The reason why I was inspired to talk about this was when I went to yoga class yesterday. I wore a blue top and a gray bottom. When I entered class, more than half of the class had a shade of blue on their top and a shade of gray on their bottom. And it was the collective consciousness of everybody thinking about what to wear that day in their home. And we send messages energetically to each other, and it showed up in class. And everybody was in sync, and we built community. We didn't even talk about our clothing, but the fact that we all, more than half, showed up with that, it was an odd and beautiful energy, and I realized that I had to talk about collective consciousness. This is KJ Landis. You can reach me at superiorselfwithkjlandis.com. Do something beautiful for somebody. Do something beautiful for yourself. Give yourself some love and self-care and share it with others. You have the opportunity to change the world with your mind, your thoughts, and your action, and you can share that with somebody else. And then it's exponential, and we can heal from this tragedy and learn to have peace and prosperity and abundance and internal joy instead of drama and danger. I love you all. See you next time.